Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. If you're new here, please do subscribe by tapping on the subscribe button below and the notification bell as well so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be vlogging about this product sent to me today by Essence ZS, and its name is a Scrub Stale Mermaid Sand. So there are 3 variants actually. So they sent me this purple blue colored scrub. It's made of sugar, by the way, it's not salt. So when you scrub it, it's not that harsh to your skin. And aside from the sugar, it's actually made of jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, and also some oils from Young Living Essentials. So if you can see, there's a handmade tag here, and it actually comes with a wooden spoon. This comes along with it. I actually used it already, that's why it's already separated, but I used this a while ago during my bath, and you can see on my demo here at this side, you just need to open it, of course, and you can just take a few spoonfuls depending on how much you need using this wooden spoon that they will give along with you. So this is a 500 ml bottle. The price is indicated in the description box. They also have a variant which is good for acne. So if you wish to relax and also remove unwanted impurities here in your skin, whether it be in your arms, in your legs, or whichever part of your body, you can use this body scrub. It will take all those dead skin cells along with the scrub. So just make sure you follow the video that I have right here. Make sure you're already done taking a bath, but your skin is still wet, and then apply the mermaid sand on your skin. And take note, the scent is very fragrant, knowing that there are Young Living essential oils mixed along in this bottle of mermaid sand. So guys, if you want to purchase this, you can visit the page or the Instagram of Essence ZS. In Facebook, it's Essence ZS, and in Instagram, it's Essence ZS 0616, right? So once again, the price is indicated in the description box. If you wish to check out the other variants, just go to their Facebook page. I really loved how soft my skin after was. I also felt that there were some oils left on my skin. I didn't need to put lotion on my arms anymore because I already felt that the oil is still there. It was absorbed by my skin. So thank you so much, Essence ZS, for sending me this mermaid sand. I'm really happy, and because it has my favorite colors, by the way. It has sky blue, and it also has purple on it, and it also has pink, by the way. So all mermaid colors are in this bottle. Thank you once again. Advance Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys liked this video and learned something from it. Please do leave a like if you appreciate this video. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly tap on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!